Consider a uniform solid sphere of radius r and mass m rolling without slipping. Which form of its kinetic energy is larger, translational and rotational? Now I'll give you the answer for the question, and the answer for the question is this. Wow. Its translational kinetic energy is larger than its rotational kinetic energy. So that's the answer for the question. Its translational kinetic energy is larger than its rotational kinetic energy.
Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find these videos very useful, you need to help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. Click this subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. And if you want to share this video with your friend to any social media that you wish, just go ahead, click this button. You can share it to Facebook, Twitter, and etc. etc. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another lovely and sweet video. Bye bye. See you again.